Have you ever woke up one day, home alone, didn't know what to eat? You were starving, you wanted like waffles, popcorn, tomatoes. Well, we have the solution for you. Pancakes! Well, when I started doing this, I learned it from my dad, and I was 8. Andrew over here, behind the camera.
What's up?
He learned it when he was 7, and also from his dad. Okay? We chose this topic because we actually love pancakes. Pancakes is like our favorite food. And then we love the history behind it. It was like created by pirates, man. Pirates, the dinosaur age. Think about dinosaurs. Yeah. Pause. Oh. You need ingredients. First, you need pancake mix. Second, you need some chocolate chips. Third, you need to wash off the table. And last but not least, you need to wash your hands. Shh. Okay, so to start off, you have to put some pancake mix in this. Okay, next, gotta put some water in it. Put some water in it. You gotta stir it up. Ooh, juicy.
Da, 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 da.
Just
Stir it real good. Da, 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 da.
stir it. Okay. Wait a couple minutes for this to heat up. So now, you gotta pour the pancake mix on the griddle. Very slightly, okay? Very slightly. Don't burn it. So now, you add the chocolate chips. No, not yet. Yeah, you do. Fine. You add the chocolate chips. Put a couple in there. Don't miss like I did. And then if you have extra chocolate chips, you can eat them. Or you just go like this. Okay. Now Andrew's going to demonstrate the rest. What's up, guys? Okay. Okay, we wait till this pancake is like brown. We wait till this pancake is like brown, okay? You know. It's not quite brown or stuck to the griddle. Push it. After you get it unstuck, you flip it. And then you stare at it intensely. This is intense. Intensity is key. Feel it burn. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah. I think we can flip it now. You push down on it a little to make the other stuff, the inside, come out. I mean, if you like bloody horror movies, like me, you like to see guts, like us. Okay, you check the bottom side, and flip it again. Flip it again. Because you know those insides you just poached out? They need to be cooked too. You want everything to be cooked. And then, take it. After the insides are cooked, you take it, you grab it, and take a bite. I want a bite. Hot. 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 Okay, so, let's recap the steps. Get your ingredients, wash the table, put the griddle on, wash your hands. Then, you put it into the mixing bowl. Stir it, add water, put it on the griddle, slightly. Slight. Add the chocolate chips. Look at it intensely. Flip it. Look at it intensely again. And then you are fresh to make chocolate chips. And I recommend this to the kids who love to cook.
What?
The best part about doing this is that in the morning you get a big breakfast. The hardest part about doing this is trying not to burn yourself or the pancake. Trust me, it's really hard. And I would recommend this to, like Andrew said, our good friends, everyone out there. And that is how you make pancakes. And pancakes are the best.
Bye.